Hello po, good day po sa inyo. So welcome to my Facebook channel. This is Mitch Sabache of DMCA Home. So ngayon, ang itutur ko kayo sa 2-bedroom unit namin na corner unit. So as still available. So kagandahan nitong unit na to, this one is located on the atrium level. Okay, so meron kang garden. So ito yung Lumivent technology namin na nakapatent kay DMCA Home. So for every 5 levels, meron tayong ganito. Okay. So ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo, itong unit na to, this one is kay Prisma Residences Kiran Building. So this unit 4209. Okay, so corner unit siya. So kagandahan nito, dalawa ang balcony mo. And syempre, maganda ang view mo. So pagpasok mo, living and dining area. Or nandito ngayon yung kitchen area natin. So all of these are included upon the delivery. Okay, so medyo spacious din itong unit na to. This is parang 3-bedroom na rin ito, kasi corner ito. Pero 2-bedroom lang siya. Okay, so this is the first balcony. Where in the first balcony mo, view mo, BGC area. Diba? Napakaganda. Ngayon, nandito ngayon yung toilet and bath natin. So fittings and fixtures are included. And meron kang sariling storage for your washing machine. Okay, this is the bedroom. Ngayon, dito sa bedroom 2. So bedroom 2, spacious din siya. Vinyl wooden planks tayo dito. And then ito yung bedroom 1 natin. So si bedroom 1 ang may access kay balcony. Dalawang window, meron kang awning window dito. And then dito sa balcony mo, siya yung may access sa isang balcony mo. So for this unit, for this balcony, ang view mo naman ito is Laguna de Bay. And nandun naman sa side na yon, si BGC area. Okay? Ayan, so this concludes my tour here. Still available, so if you want to know more about this unit, about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko, you may contact me anytime, or you may